So if you're using bunch of different bots on your Discord server and now you want to hide a specific bots from a specific channels, this tutorial river will guide you how to hide bots in Discord server. So first of all, open the server and click on server name and go to server settings. Click on roles. And here, for example, I want to hide the curl bot from this server. So I'm going to clicking on curl bot and select the permissions tab. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here, if the administrator option is enabled, you have to disable and save changes. Close this window. So I want to hide the curl bot from general channel, so I'm going to clicking on edit channel, permissions, and here click on this plus icon and select the bot you want to hide. In my case, I'm going to hide the curl bot, so I'm going to selecting this, and you will find this view channel option here. So you have to select your disable, click on save changes, and now I'm in my general channel, and as you can see, the curl bot has been successfully hide. And if you want to hide the specific bot from all of your channels, then you have to do these settings for every channels. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.